everyone, and welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen, and today is a little different because John isn't feeling very well. But don't worry, he's here with us. You're doing great, by the way. Just listening already helps you improve. Remember, repetition works, and you can learn English.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, I'm okay, just not great today. I woke up with a cough, a sore throat, a headache, and my muscles really hurt. I think I might be getting a cold.
You can hear it in his voice, right? This is actually a great opportunity to learn how to talk about feeling sick in English. Today, we'll walk you through how to describe symptoms, what to say at the doctor's office, what questions doctors usually ask, and how to speak simply and clearly. And of course, we'll repeat key phrases together. Okay, let's start with something very useful. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. Again, I don't feel well. Great.
Honestly, I didn't feel good this morning at all. First, I had a dry cough. Then I felt like I had a fever. My forehead was hot, and my whole body felt heavy.
Here's another phrase. Repeat slowly after me. I think I'm getting sick. Again, I think I'm getting sick. Nice. Now, let's learn how to describe pain. For example, my throat hurts. Repeat after me. My throat hurts. And another very common one, I have a headache. Say it with me. I have a headache.
Yeah, my head was pounding today. And my throat really hurts when I swallow. My muscles also hurt, especially my back and my legs. And my stomach felt a little strange too, like a light stomach ache.
That's a good phrase. I have a stomach ache. Let's repeat it slowly. I have a stomach ache. Perfect. So imagine this. John wakes up with fever, headache, sore throat, body aches. He feels weak, tired, without much energy.
Exactly. I got out of bed and said, Helen, I think I need to see a doctor.
And that's what we're going to do today. We'll take you step by step, from explaining symptoms to answering questions to talking about medicine, all in slow, simple English, easy to follow, easy to repeat. Before we move on, let's practice the key phrases again. I don't feel well. I think I'm getting sick. My throat hurts. I have a headache. My muscles hurt. I have a stomach ache. You're doing great. Really, you're improving every time you listen.
When we arrive at the clinic, there are a few people waiting in the reception area. Everything is quiet, soft music, and people coughing a little.
I go to the receptionist and say, "Hi, I'm not feeling well. I would like to see a doctor, please." Let's repeat it together. I would like to see a doctor, please. Again. I would like to see a doctor, please. The receptionist asks, "What are your symptoms?"
I have a cough. I have a sore throat. I have a headache. And I think I have a fever.
Very simple, very natural.
The receptionist says, Please take a seat. The doctor will call you soon. I sit down slowly. I feel worse now. my head, my throat, my muscles.
I look at John and say, try to relax. Take a deep breath. Let's repeat. My throat hurts.
We hear, John Williams, please come in. The doctor is ready to see us. She asks, what seems to be the problem? I say, I don't feel well. I have a cough, a sore throat, a headache, and I think I have a fever.
The doctor checks his temperature. You have a mild fever. Then, do your muscles hurt? Do you have stomach pain? John answers, yes, a light stomach ache. Let's repeat, a light stomach ache.
The doctor says, it looks like you have a common cold. Rest, drink plenty of water, and take this medicine twice a day.
Very useful phrases. Repeat after me. Take this medicine twice a day. Take it with food. Drink plenty of water. Great job.
We leave the clinic and go home so I can rest. I repeat the phrases in my head. My throat hurts. I have a fever. I have a headache. It actually helps.
Let's practice a simple conversation at the doctor's office. Listen carefully and repeat after us if you can.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
I don't feel well. I have a cough. My throat hurts. I have a headache, and I think I have a fever.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Okay,
You have a mild fever. Do your muscles hurt?
yes, my whole body hurts, and I have a light stomach ache.
All right. It looks like you have a common cold. Take this medicine twice a day, drink plenty of water, and get some rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Okay, before we finish, let's review the most important phrases from today's visit to the doctor. These are real sentences you can use in real life. I will say each sentence slowly. Please repeat after me, wherever you are. I have a cough.
I don't feel well.
I have a fever.
My throat hurts.
I have a headache.
My muscles hurt.
I've had these symptoms for 3 days.
I need something for the pain.
Should I stay home and rest?
How long will it take to recover?
Great job! Let's put these phrases into a short conversation. First, we will do it slowly so you can hear every word. Then, we will listen again at natural speed. Ready? Let's start with the slow version.
Hello. What brings you in today?
I don't feel well. I have a cough and a fever.
Do you have any pain?
Yes, my throat hurts and my muscles hurt.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For 3 days.
Okay, you should stay home and rest.
Excellent. Now you heard the slow version. Let's listen one more time at natural speed. This time, just relax and try to understand the whole meaning, not every single word. Here we go.
Hello. What brings you in today?
I don't feel well. I have a cough and a fever.
Do you have any pain?
Yes, my throat hurts and my muscles hurt.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For 3 days.
Okay. You should stay home and rest.
Nice work. You have just used one of the most powerful techniques to learn English. First, you listen slowly. Then, you repeat the key phrases. Then, you listen again at natural speed. This slow, repeat, fast method trains your ears and your brain step by step. If you practice like this every day, you will understand real English much faster than you think. Keep going. You are doing great. Now listen again at natural speed. Just relax and enjoy the sound of real English.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
I don't feel well. I have a cough, my throat hurts, I have a headache, and I think I have a fever.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Okay?
You have a mild fever. Do your muscles hurt?
Yes, my whole body hurts, and I have a light stomach ache.
All right. It looks like you have a common cold. Take this medicine twice a day, drink plenty of water, and get some rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. And before we finish, I want to tell you something important. You can learn English. Slow listening helps. Fast listening helps. Repetition works. And you are doing an amazing job. Keep going. We are proud of you.
And if you enjoyed this episode, like and subscribe. It helps us make more great lessons for you.
Thank you for joining us today. Take good care of yourself. And remember, small steps every day make a big difference.
We are proud of your progress. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep going. You can do this.
See you in the next episode.